Hey, it's Jay Green with GW Private Capital, repair to sell out here in Burbank. I just met a homeowner who has this burnt out property and he's just trying to decide what to do, whether he's going to sell it to a cash buyer or if he's going to utilize me to borrow some money for private money and get a loan to fix it up. So I just met him and a realtor friend of his that he kind of trusts. Anyways, that house was burnt down. He's been dealing with this since 2017. And so the direction I think we're going to go is I'm going to refer him one of my contractors, and then I'm going to give him a bid for a $200,000 second deed of trust to rehab the property. And so I think he feels pretty comfortable with me and our plan. That is we're in Burbank, so that property could probably sell for like 1.12 if it's remodeled, but he's been getting offers from people, like cash offers, just to buy it as is, that have been like in the $700,000 range. And anyway, so I'm gonna bring back one of my contractors and give him a proposal for the work. So I've got two pieces to this puzzle. Is the loan part of it, which is very easy for me to do. I'm going to give him a proposal on that today. And then the second piece is who is he going to use for the construction to rebuild the property. Anyway, so.
Hey brother, you okay? You okay?
Thanks.
Sorry about that, man.
Cool. Wow. So it looks like they've already started like doing a lot, like taking down the drywall.
It's all gutted down already. It's just a matter of putting it back together. He has the plans already set up.
I'm gonna knock this walk-in closet down and actually close it off. Here, this will become all master bedroom. From through her closet into her bathroom. I mean, I can go the other way.
How many square feet do you have here, Tim?
1560.
15, okay. It looks...
The garage. Tearing this down, it actually, even if I have to tear down a brand new structure and rebuild it, it's only like 6 months.
After you.
And that spot out there is this huge sculpture of a waterfall. When you run it,
Yeah.
and feel it when you actually feel it.
If you need any help, realtors, loan officers, property owners, investors with private money or consulting on scenarios like this, give me a ring, Jay Green, 714-747-1912. Thanks for thinking of me.